Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and in this video you are going to understand variables and assignments in Python. So without further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we will see that what is your variable. So a variable is a name. So first of all, you have to understand that like human being name. So variable is also a name. What does it refer? It refers value stored in a memory location, you can say that. So let us see second point. It takes as a reference and not a storage. So it means that it is telling that suppose that if you have a variable x, so it is referring to a value like this one having address like 0x hexadecimal address 3f like this one. It does not, it is storage container, but it refers. And many times we will see that here you can see the same statement is here. An example, x is referring to 10. So x refers basically an object which is holding the value 10. That means x referring, not holding the value. So in Python, basically variables are like labels attached to object in memory. What I have explained already. Again, example here another, you can say that object list object, and A is referring to list object. Those who are not aware about list, see that like x was referring to a single value. Now here x is referring, A is referring to list of values. So that is a list, and you use square brackets. In future, there would be a dedicated, you can say that video, many videos, but here you can understand list of values. And this statement B, that means both are referring to the same list object. So let us see here what will happen. Changing B affects A because both reference the same object. What does it tell? So see that here A and B, and here is the list. A referring to the same list, and it has value 1, 2 and 3, and here it is telling that just change the B. So both are referring to the same list. So what will happen if you change B like this list 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B is referring, and also A is referring the same list. So if you print A, I will also discuss about in function in detail, but in the upcoming video, in previous videos I have discussed. So A that will print 1, 2, 3 and 4, because both list objects are referring to the same list. Now we have already used, but see that assignment operator. Here assignment operator is used to bind variables to values, and Python also allows multiple assignments in a single statement. So here A is referring to 5, B is referring to 10 and C is referring to 15. So here just I am going to show you the practical example also. First practical example was list. So I'm just taking a list A that is referring to 1, 2 and 3, and what I did, just B that also refers A, that increase the font size. Okay, it is referring to A. Now print B. Here you will see that it is referring to 1, 2, 3, this content by A. Thereafter just I am appending here a value. So B dot append 4, and now I am printing A here. And see the value of A. I have appended value 4 in B, but also because A is also referring to the same list. Second example was here. Here these examples, just I am copying it and here pasting it. Now let us print B. Yes, I will print B and you will understand. Just remove this space and run it. So you will see that B is referring to 10. So this is an example of multiple assignments. Here another example that the same value is assigned to multiple objects. So here it means that this is statement explaining that A is referring to 100, B is also referring to 100 and C is also referring to 100. It means. So let us see example, or you can say that practically we will see that here. Let us print B. Thereafter print C. You will see that both are referring to 100. Is there any error? There are, you can say that spaces. Python is space sensitive. Now let us print it. Unexpected index. So you can see that B is referring to 100 and C is referring to 100. You can also see swap the value. So here just copy it and put it. This value, this statement will swap the value of A to B to A. Here I am just taking A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6 and B is equal to different value 8. After swapping, just I am printing value of A. So value of age is swapped. So you will say that it will print 8. Let us clear the screen. So value of A was 6, but we have swapped. Swapped means the value of A is assigned to B and the value of B is referred by A, not assigned. So 8 you can see that. Now print the value of B. Here change this one. So you can say that 8 that is A and 6 that is B. Now let us see dynamic typing. So the type of a variable is determined at runtime. Like see that C and C++ are typed languages. That means at the beginning you have to tell that type of the variable. That means if you are using X, that you have to tell that int, the type of X is int. But in Python, type are changed dynamically and the type of variable is determined at runtime, not compile time. So let us see. For example, if X is 5 here, I will not run, but you will understand. Here X is 5, so X, the type of X is integer. Now if you assign X hello, so that X is a string. So dynamically type of X is being changed. So that is called dynamic typing in Python. And in C, C++, they are called static type languages. What are some best practices for a variable naming? Use meaningful variable names. Follow the PEP8 naming conventions. You can go on Python's website and you can follow. You can understand PEP. Keyword, don't use keyword. So in this video we have learned about variables in Python are references, not storage. Assignment operator. Python supports multiple assignments. Also support dynamic typing. And also I have explained follow best practices. So hope you understood. And I will tell you student, just support my channel, Facebook page and LinkedIn page of PostNetwork Academy. And it encourages me to make more videos. So hope you will support me. Thanks for watching the video.